welcome to my channel. Today's video will be YouTube ideas plus some tips from your girl, Hunter X Glow. So, I'm not going to make this intro too long because I hate long intros. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. Alright guys, let's get this video started with ideas plus 10 tips, which is the bonus tips. They're bonus tips, baby. They're going to help you in the long run. But we're not worried about it right now. We're worried about these ideas I got for y'all right here. So the first one I got is Get Ready With Me. And the reason I got this one first is because I love watching Get Ready With Me. And I'm pretty sure other people do too, because when I look at the views on the people who do Get Ready With Me, bruh, they be having more views than subscribers. So I know it ain't just their subscribers. So yeah, y'all need to do that because people like watching them. And the second one I got on here is try on hauls and hauls. Reason why I said second and not like 2 and 3, because they did the same thing for real. But one haul is like when you just show people what you got, and you might put it have it like a picture of it on a mannequin. And the try on haul is like when it's like on you. Most people like watching try on hauls though, and I know it's because I watched a couple of videos on the ideas just like how I'm doing for y'all. And y'all probably already watched a couple videos before mine. But I actually got it from another YouTuber who said she don't like that. And then when I read the comments, some people agree. Like, yeah, I don't like that. So, try them clothes on, bro. Second one is room tour. And then, one more like second one. Third one is room tour, room transformations, what's in my closet, what's in my what's in my desk, what's in my laptop, anything that gotta do with your room or in your room. Do that. I'm so bad at this, but I want to do this. So, second one is morning routines, night routines, after school routines, workout routines, art routines, anything that you do all the time, record it. Like, you can be like what I'm doing right now. You could be chilling, like you don't even gotta be doing nothing. You could do like that's more like a day in my life. Like, you know, you could do like get ready with me's routines and and the day in my life is like all in the same category for me. And then oh my god, yeah, I'm so ugly, but yeah, you could do all of them because they actually do blow up pretty much because people like watching that. People like watching you get ready and what you do all the time. I don't know why. I don't like the routines. I mostly like Get Ready With Me though. They more interesting. I don't know, but they pretty cool to watch though. I watch them sometimes, it's not all the time. Some people really do be boring. But yeah, you can do them too. And then a transformation, 24-hour transformation. Some people don't be 24 hours. Sometimes they be 72 hours. But a transformation, you're like from like looking like a bum to like you growing up. Like, they pretty cool to watch too. So you can do them too. Lookbook. When you match like styles together. I just found out about. I didn't even know people made them or watched them. Like, I just was looking up tips and stuff, and then I came across it, and I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. What's in my phone? What's on my what's in my phone? What's in my purse? What's in my book bag? And what's in my emergency bag? All of them are like, people like to watch and see what's in your bag. Like, not just to be like nosy like what's in your bag, but more or less to know like what's in your bag because they might want to put it in their bag. I guess that's why I watch them. And then you can do advice, relationship advice, how to get a boy to like you, how to get a girl to like you, like all of that. People love advice. So advice, story times, bruh. You could do one story time and it'll blow your channel up. Like, I'm trying to tell you, if your YouTube, I'm not like your YouTube. If your story time is interesting and attention grabbing, trust me, it's going to blow up. Not no boring story time. You need maybe a fight or time I lost my virginity. Not no boring or like some real serious and stuff. I mean, some people like story times like real serious stuff, like maybe some tragedy that happened in your life. I don't like watching that like funny story times, I guess. But story times will blow your channel up. So if you wanna do that, go ahead and do that. Don't be dry. Like, you know, have some, be yourself, but you know. Okay, what's it? What's this? Like, I got some right here, but I don't want to give y'all no dookie ones. Seafood bowls, like a Q&A seafood bowl, like when you eat seafood but you like answer people questions. You can do that too. Like it's like, it's not a mukbang, but it's like, you know, you eating and you talking, like, come on now. That's pretty cool to watch. It depends on who you watching though, and if you want to know like the questions. You feel me? Driving with me. I didn't even know I wrote that. I didn't know I typed this down. I didn't know I typed this, but driving with me, going to run with me. I didn't even know who did that. Vlogs, any type of vlogs is really cool for real. Don't be no drive vlog. Like, maybe you on a trip, vlog that. Anything involving you, I'm dyeing my hair for the first time, doing my own eyebrows, or like, come with me to school. What else? It's like Instagram control my life for a day. They're pretty cool to watch. Wow. Shake. Hey. Oh my god, I forgot I was recording. But y'all in the ideas right there, because the rest of them here is trash. I don't want to give y'all no trash ideas. So now we moving on to the bonus tips. I know y'all been waiting for them bonus tips. Don't even act like y'all wasn't waiting for them bonus tips, because I know y'all was waiting for them bonus tips. Alright, so I got some right here. I'm gonna give y'all 3 bonus tips today. 3 bonus tips. You want some more? Come back for some more. You want some more bonus tips? You gotta come back. Say no, let me stop. Alright. Bonus tip number 1. Even though I told you I do Q&As, if you just beginning YouTube, don't do a Q&A. If you don't already have a fan base, I wouldn't do a Q&A. It probably won't blow up as much as you think it's gonna blow up, because people don't know you, so they don't really care about what's going on in your life. I'm not gonna say like they don't care what's going on in your life. They don't really need to know that. You feel me? They don't know you. You feel what I'm saying? They don't care how many cats you got. They don't know you. You know what I mean? If you just beginning YouTube, consistent content will get you noticed, because you want to end up on a recommend page. If you only got 1 video, come on now, that's 1 video to be on a recommend page, and it's like a lottery. Coronavirus, say no, yeah. But usually it's like a lottery. You might get picked and you might not. So like the more videos that you post, the more of a chance that you'll get picked. Like, it's like a lottery. Like, if you got 10 videos on your page, right? Out of them 10 videos, 3 blow up. That's 3 chances. That's 3 times you probably didn't been on somebody's recommend page, maybe, because them videos that blew up. Them 3 videos that blew up, try to do more of that type of content, or use that energy that you did. You feel me? That'll really, because people dig that energy that you gave. They like that vibe that they got from you. So, you want to do that more, but be yourself. You feel what I'm saying? Bonus tip number 3. Why would I put up this if I said 3? I'm slow. Alright, bonus tip number 3. Don't do YouTube for the money. I know you done heard this 1,000 times on all the tips you watch. Don't do YouTube for the money. The money ain't gonna come as soon as you start. Trust me. Like, it's not. You might not even blow up, and YouTube might not be for you. Don't do it for the money. Do it because you want to do it. Do it because you just want to do it. Like, don't do it for the money. Have fun. But that's it for my tips and ideas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with some more content. I got some great videos for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. I'm out. Peace.